In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your Wix website. Whether you're making some changes, taking a break, or simply deciding to remove your site for a while, unpublishing your site is a straightforward process. It's good to know exactly what steps to take so you can handle this quickly and confidently. First, you'll want to make your way to your Wix site dashboard. This is essentially your control center for everything related to your site, so getting familiar with navigating here is always helpful. Once you're logged in and at your site dashboard, look to the left-hand panel of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu of options designed to help you manage and customize your site. Look for a tab labeled Settings. Now, with the Settings panel open, let's scroll down through the list of options until you find Website Settings. This area is where you can make a range of changes regarding your website's online presence. Click on it to delve into more specific settings related to how your site exists and functions online. As you explore the website settings, you will encounter an option labeled Unpublish. When you click on this, your site will be taken down from the web. Users will no longer be able to access it via their browsers, though it will remain intact and editable in your Wix account. Clicking Unpublish is a single decisive move. However, rest assured, if you ever want to put your site back up, you can do so effortlessly by republishing it whenever you're ready. By following these steps, you can unpublish your Wix website with ease. It's an efficient process that allows you the flexibility to control when your site is live for the world to see. You might decide to unpublish your website temporarily during a redesign or maintenance phase, or potentially when you're planning a major overhaul that you'd rather work on behind the scenes. There you have it. Simple steps to unpublish your Wix website whenever needed. It's quick, straightforward, and provides you with another layer of control over how and when your site is presented to your audience. Remember, managing a website is all about maintaining control and making sure it consistently serves your goals. So don't hesitate to unpublish when necessary, knowing confidently that you can bring it back for the world to see in no time.